signs. When your stomach is empty, it doesn't stop working. Your digestive system keeps moving and preparing for the next meal.
Oh! Your stomach muscles start squeezing and moving air and digestive juices around. This movement is called peristalsis. When air and liquids move inside an empty stomach, they create that loud, rumbling sound we all know.
Ever been in a quiet room and suddenly your stomach goes, grrr? Embarrassing, right? But your stomach isn't just being noisy, it's squeezing itself, a motion called peristalsis, to mix and move around leftover food and air.
Brain is basically sending you a message. Hey, it's time to eat. Time to eat.
So next time your stomach growls, don't be embarrassed. It's just your body asking for fuel.
Be honest. When was the last time your stomach growled in public? Tell us in the comments.